So what would you like to deal with today?
Today, in here. I think everything else is evened out and quite nice and all perfect, and I would like this just to match everything else you've already done.
Excellent choice. So, in order to improve the look of these nasolabial folds, the first step is always to try to lift cheeks slightly. Now we already have Juvederm Volift here to help to lift, so by placing some of the new slightly softer Juvederm Volift here, we're going to lift that slightly, fill in these dents, make you look less tired, and as well try to lift some of this pressure on your nasolabial folds. That's a more natural way to approach it. Then we will see how well it lifts and probably put a tiny bit of Juvederm Volift into the nasolabial folds themselves using the cannula technique for safety. That way we will avoid making you too full here. If we went straight for here, you would look too filled up, and it's unnatural to have this completely flat. Once that is done, we may or may not have to do a little bit of Volift here in these dents, and to also help to straighten this pre-gel sulcus. When your gel comes down with time and the descent of tissues, it forms a little dent there. So by putting a little bit of filler there, Juvederm Volift in this case, it will help to straighten it. We're choosing Juvederm Volift because it is the perfect consistency. Not too thick, not too thin, but yet it's got the cross-linkage, the new cross-linkage technology to help it to stick around. At this stage it's been tested up to a year, but it's been purported that it may last up to 15 months. Let's say 9 to 12 months, because we don't know how your metabolism is, but we're hoping for that at least.
That's great.
Sounds good?
That sounds like a wonderful amount of time.
Shall we do it?
Yeah, we shall.
And then as we start to put the Volift, the Juvederm Volift, injected slowly through the cannula, the lidocaine in the Volift is numbing and freezing the area. So there we are. Perfect. That has definitely softened that. Compare the one side to the other.
Wow.
Press and it smooths. It has filled this dent area here and has helped this area here. And if I give it a smoosh,
wow,
that's nice, eh?
That is
nice.
very nice.
That's nice. And look at it, no downtime, it's just straight. Yep.